Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to print your Cash App QR code that anybody will be able to use to send money to you. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, you want to go ahead and open up the official Cash App application. You're going to need to use Cash App on your mobile phone, so to do that you're going to go and be downloading it from the App Store if you do not already have it. So if you do not have the App Store open up, you can go ahead and open up. So by opening up the App Store, you want to go to the search option right here and then search for Cash App. Using the search bar at the top of the screen, search for Cash App and find the Cash App application. Once you download it, now we can get started. So once you open up the application, you'll be able to go ahead and log into your account using your phone number or your account details depending which option you want. So go ahead and log in, and after you do so, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page, where you'll be able to take a look at your cash balance. You have your savings, you have all the options that you can access, and now we can get started. So basically guys, you'll be able to find our QR code. It's very easy. All we need to do is just go right here into the upper right corner. As you can see in the upper right corner, you have a small circle with your profile picture. This is your profile icon that you want to click, and after clicking the profile icon guys, it's going to open up your profile page. And guys, in the new profile page that you have just opened up, in the upper right corner is going to appear a QR code button. So basically you want to click that QR code, and once you open it up, it's going to open up your QR code, after which you'll be able to go and click on the share button. So by clicking the share button, it's going to enable you to share it to anybody you want. You can save it as an image that you're going to print and so on. And basically that's how you access your QR code in your profile section to share with anybody. And I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.